Morning, students. Today we are going to start with our chapter 2, decimal. In the previous class I have sent you all a short introduction video on decimal. You have already studied this chapter in standard 3rd. Okay, the question is, study each set and write as a fraction as a decimal in the figure and work. First question is work out for you. Okay, now you can see here this part has been shaded. We have to write regarding how much part has been shaded. First we have to write in the fraction form. Okay, after that we are going to convert it into a decimal form, and that we are going to write in the word form. Okay, now you can see here the question B. Now this, if the full part is being shaded, okay, this first one you can see here, these boxes are 10 boxes. Okay, there are 10 boxes, and this full one box, all 10 boxes are shaded, means it is 1. Clear? Plus here only one box is being shaded, then here that it will be 1 by 10. Clear? This full box is being shaded, all the boxes are shaded, means it is 1. Here in this only one box is shaded, so it will be 1 by 10. Clear? After that there are, if 100 boxes are there, so it will be 1 by or 2 by 3 by whatever, it will be 100. Okay, so it will be in this way, 1.1. so we will be writing 1.1. Clear? Now here question C, here all the boxes are shaded, so it will be 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are shaded, so 4 by 10 plus. Here the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 boxes are shaded, so 5 by 100. Okay, so it will be 1.45. Write 1.45. In question D, all the boxes are shaded over here, so here 1. Here also all the boxes are shaded, so once again plus 1. Okay, now here tenths is not given. Okay, 1 by 10, tenth value is not given, so it will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So plus 5 by 100 it will come. So it will be 2 plus 0 by 10 plus 5 by 100. So it will be 2, or it is 6, not 5. So it will be 2.06. Point 0 6 it will be. You all have to write this in the textbook itself. The space is given. Okay, now question number 2 is, write two equivalent decimal for each. Now when we are writing the equivalent decimal of any number, okay, now here you all know very well that any number after decimal, if we are putting 0, it is equivalent. So suppose it is 2.5. now we have to find the equivalent for this. So if you will write 2.50, then also it is equivalent. As much 0 you add, okay, it will be equivalent no matter how many zeros it comes after decimal. Okay, so when we are finding the equivalent decimal, we have to just add 0 after the decimal number. Now here it is given 0.45. we have to write equivalent, two equivalent, it will be 0.450 and 0.4500. Okay, so it will be equivalent. B is 1.2, so it is 1.2. we have to find the equivalent of this, so it will be 1.20 and 1.200, so it is equivalent. Then 3.190, we have to just keep on adding 0, so it will be equivalent. 1900 and 3.190 0.1900. So it is equivalent fractions, decimal, sorry. Question number 3. Okay, now here the decimal numbers are given. From this we have to search which is the equivalent decimal number. That is 3.4, 3.45, 3.405, 3.4500, 3.04 and 3.40. Now in the previous question only I have explained you all if the decimal are equivalent. Okay, so here the number is 3.5 and here 3.40, as there is no value of 0 after decimal. Okay, so this both are the pair. That is, first pair is only we have to find two pair. That is, first pair is 3.4 and 3.40 is the equivalent. Now we have to find the second pair. That is 3.45 and 3.4500 is our second pair. Okay, and this question number 2 and 3 you all have to write in the notebook. Okay, so if you all have any doubt, just message me personally and clarify your doubts. Thank you.